Well, we got a little bit of a repair to do on the Grapple. I blew a hose on a job the other day, a couple weeks ago. Moving a brush pile. Started leaking, so ran up, had Sheldon make me a new hydraulic hose for it. So I'm going to put this back in here. We got grease in it. I'm not so sure how these hoses went in here. Pretty sure this hose was leaking out of the crimped fitting. Take these caps off. I'm glad I put these on here because it ended up snowing a bunch. If you guys want some of these hydraulic fitting caps, I got this kit off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description so you can get one. But it's a pretty nice kit. Comes with JIC and flat face. All different sizes. Pretty nice little kit to have. I'm not a fan of these little cage nuts because they tend to break off, and they're like 15 bucks a piece. I've used this Grapple for a while, but the last 2 times I've took it out to use it, I've had hoses fail. But this is a pretty old Grapple. I think it's a 2012. So had to, the last time I used it, I had to replace this hose and one of these hard lines over here, so I've had to replace both of those. Had to put some new couplers on it last time I used it too, because those other ones were leaking. So I probably need to get 3 more hoses made for these cylinders. Well, that's that, so we'll see if that works. Alright, and we'll take some super clean here and clean up this hydraulic oil. Well, we can call the grapple fixed now.